When it's 2 a.m. and that diaper disaster hits, you don't need a manual, you need a toolkit. And no, I'm not talking about fixing the sink. I'm talking about surviving parenthood. Today, I'm turning this Dollar Tree toolbox into the ultimate baby emergency toolbox kit. And no, all the items inside do not come from the Dollar Tree. I'm using quite a few items that I already have in stock. You can customize this gift to fit any budget. That's what makes it so amazing. Every item has its own funny tool name, like this one right here. We're calling this the mute button. So stick around and I'll show you everything that I put inside and just how I label everything. By the end, you'll have a baby shower gift that will not only be useful, but it'll have people laughing. All right, let's get started. So I have already gone ahead and attached the back. See, I'm standing it up like this. I'm using a couple of popsicle sticks that I have gone ahead and hot glued here. And then this is a longer, thicker one. It's more like a tongue depressor. I put that in the back right there, hot glued it in there, just to have this back stand up, okay? And then I have created this flyer. That's hot glue. I created a flyer. I created this sticker, and it says Emergency Baby Toolkit. So we're going to put that right here on the front, okay? Yeah, ooh, yeah. Before I do that, let me move this out the way so you can see what I'm doing here. So I'm trying to get my other things together here. I have quite a few things I'm going to put in this gift. So let's see. There we go. I had it and I stuck it right back down. There we go. And I'm going to put that right here. Let's see.
Do you want to join Toolbox on my rental list? Because there's open. Why would you tell Toolbox I disapprove of his actions?
Just like that. Okay? So, the next thing we're going to do is I have some Pampers. I have rolled up some Pampers here. I've gone ahead and prepped everything so that it doesn't take all day for me to do this video. So this is a stack of 3 Pampers. I take the Pampers, I lay them out, and then roll them up. I'll show you real fast. Alright, let me show you real fast how I did this. So it's 3 Pampers, right? You do it on any side you want to. I did this, and I laid them like that, and then I just rolled them up. Okay, just like that. And then I took a rubber band and went around it, just like that. All right. I don't need that one because I've already counted them out. So, I am going to decide on placement though. So, we're going to put in, let's see here. I have 4 sets like that. And then I have 1 that's rolled like this, okay? Because I just want to give it some height, like this. Instead of using shred or any kind of stuffing, I'm using Pampers. Okay? See that?
No one gets to our age without some trauma.
So next, let me look here. Next we have some, oh, before we do that, let me tell you, this is our toolbox, right? So in this toolbox, these Pampers are called the Leak Fixer 3000. Sorry, I cannot see. Leak Fixer 3000. That's the Pampers. Okay, so I actually need to add the little label to them.
As an English class, whether we're discussing the meaning of a phrase or a passage in a book, is equal. He's almost as fast as solving math, and here's your compliment. Oh my God, you really do like my brother. Tell me it doesn't show.
So I put it right there. Okay, it is going to get covered. We're going to be putting in a lot of tools in the toolbox, right? Next we have some travel wipes. Okay, baby wipes, and they are the cleanup crew wipes. Yeah, that's this tool. Let's see. You could put that. I should think. I'm thinking. I am thinking. How do I want to do this? I might be moving this roll backwards, the other way around. Don't like that. I don't think I want to lean this heavy up here. So we also have some biohazard bags. The diaper bags. Because you need something to put these diapers in after they get soiled, right? Let me turn this around because I cannot see, and I'm going to have to turn it back around for you. Okay? All right. So, the next thing we're going to add is this little novelty projector, okay? And that, I'm going to put that right over here. I put it right behind here, okay? Right here. And then, I'm going to get up. And then, we're going to add, we have some Cocomelon 2-in-1 shampoo. And that says Squeaky Clean Solution. Okay. That's going to go right here. Right now. Actually, it's not. Still thinking. Okay. All right, we have a Cocomelon Stuffy. And this says Calm and Cuddle Unit. Okay. So he's going to go right there. And then, this is Rattle. And it says Attention Grabber. Okay. You can see the label I have on there. Still deciding where we're going to put it. Actually, let's see here. We have a hooded towel, okay? And the label on it says mini dry off blanket. And that is going to go right here. Okay, yes, I like that.
There's always so much to do.
There we go.
What attending galas.
Okay, and we have a bib, and the bib says mess shield. Warning, boy in the bib, messier than he appears. Okay, and we're going to put that.
Look, I got 20% of the gorgeous wedding plan. Maybe 30 of the honeymoon to Italy. 0 invitations to exclusive parties in the community. Like, I just don't know.
Deciding. Okay, we still have other things. So we have the fuel injector bottle. Still not sure where we're going to put it yet. Hold on. And then we have the teething ring. It says gum soother wrench. And actually, I think I'm going to put this up here. Put this down here. Is that going to work? No. Okay. That goes back there. And then we have the mute button. Yes, the pacifier. We need that mute button, you know? We definitely need that mute button. And then, of course, we need to have something for fuel. We need some fuel. We need a little snack. So let's get that together. We got some chestnut cookies and caramel macchiato instant and a cappuccino instant. Okay, I should have just taken that down. That would have been easier. Then I can stop moving. Just like that. Yes. Just like that. And then, here's my label. This is always the difficult part. Trying to get in between there. There we go. Sometimes, I say always, sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's really not. Sometimes it's really not. Just like that. Okay? And actually, I'm going to take that now. Like that. And now, let me see. And now, where are we going to put you? Right here. Just like that. And we'll put this down like this, like this. Oh, that's cute. Okay, let's glue that. Oh, that's cute. Yes. Sometimes things come out better than you expect. This is one of those times. Yes, this is so cute. It really is. It really, really is. Yes, I'm proud of myself. No. Yeah. Yeah. Because I am. You know when you did that. Okay? You know when you did that. This is so cute. I do feel like it needs one more thing, though. Hold on. This is some space. I know, I'm doing the most. I mean, you might get some more Pampers. We did have that one roll, didn't we? Let's see here. Hey, that's not actually a bad idea. That was a good idea. Oh. Okay. Now, I want to move the label. It's on the Pampers. Put it up here. Yes. Yes. Okay. Glue-da, glue-da. That's good, that's good, that's good.
I'm going to ask more questions. I want to know more about you. You do? You don't think I'm a stuck-up rich girl who doesn't care about people around her? And you want to
Yeah, put a glue dot there, but nah, we're gonna put some tape there. I was trying not to do the tape thing, but we are gonna have a piece of tape right there. And we're gonna put one on both sides. Since I did one here, go ahead and put one over here as well. Oh yeah. I hope you like this. I hope you like it. I think it's creative, it's cute. It's it fits the bill. And it's an emergency toolkit. Tell me what you think. You can swipe out a couple of things here and there for what you might need or what you have in stock. You can make it work. Remember, this came from the Dollar Tree and a couple other things in here, but not everything. So you can do it too. Until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe. I do appreciate you for watching. Please watch my other videos.